Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to be talking in detail about how the accounts you are creating for movers and packers are getting suspended, and what specific steps you can take to effectively prevent your accounts from being suspended right at the beginning. So please make sure to watch till the end. Alright, before talking about this, I want to give a notification that we have started a batch, which is absolutely free, where I will solve all your problems for free. There will be a daily live problem solving class on this, which will be held at 10 p.m. every night. If you also want to join that batch, you can message me directly on WhatsApp, and I will add you to the batch. Okay, let's continue. Now, if your movers and packers out accounts are getting suspended repeatedly, how can you prevent that? I'm going to tell you a few things about this. If you follow these things, your account won't get suspended. The very first thing is, for whichever Google Ads account you are using, make sure that your advertising verification is complete. All right. This is the first thing you need to focus on. The second thing you need to focus on is to use old Google Ads accounts. If you use accounts that are old, your account won't get suspended. What do I mean by old accounts? For example, take this account. I spent Rs 1,20,000 Rs in this account. You need to pick an account that has had a spending of 500 or 600 rupees. When you run your ad on such an account, your account won't get suspended. What should be there in it? It should have advertising verification, and if your account has business operation verification as well, that's even better. The chances of your account getting suspended will become very low. The third thing you need to pay attention to is that when you want to run an ad in the beginning, you should run it on generic keywords. Later, you can switch it to brand building. That's a different matter. All right, if you follow all these things, your account won't get suspended, and you'll be able to avoid suspension on your account. All right, if even after this, your account is still getting suspended, then obviously you are making some mistakes in your ad copy. So for that, you'll need to get in touch with me. You can message me on WhatsApp. I'll take a look at your account and give you a solution related to whatever problem there is. So I hope that whatever you came here for, whatever solution you needed, you have found that solution. And if you're still facing any problems, or if there are any other issues, you can message me on WhatsApp for that as well. So I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much.